Tonight, let's talk about a symbol that needs no introduction, the heart. Beyond its physiological role, the heart stands as an emblem of love and connection. In our school, it symbolizes the compassion, the friendship, and the unity that make our community vibrant. Just like the heart that keeps our bodies alive, love, breath, life with our soul. It's in the friendship we form, the support we give, and the understanding we share. So let's carry the heart's essence in our interaction, making every day a celebration of love and unity. So, as we navigate our school days, let the heart be our guide. May it remind us to be kind, compassionate, and open-hearted